In today's video, we're going to use one of these candy jars and we're going to spray paint them in gold, and this is how it turns out. Then after that, I'm going to take one of these hard floral foam. I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm going to place it inside, hold it down until it attaches. Then after that, I'm going to take these greenery like branches. I'm going to just cut it out. It's pretty simple to cut out, and then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam. And here you could also attach it with hot glue for better attachment, just for them doesn't come out and out of the place. Then I'm going to take this flower, put one of those little stick that they have in Dollar Tree. If you could also attach it with glue here, it will be better. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching the flowers. I'm going to use some white and some pink until I do the whole thing out like that. Then after that, I took one of these balloon stick. I'm going to spray paint it in gold. You don't have to. You can leave it clear if you would like. Then I'm going to place it inside the floral foam like that and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to take one of these clear balloons. I'm going to stretch them out first. They need to be stretched out before you blow them out. Then I'm going to cut a little bit of the bottom part. I'm going to open it up like that. I'm going to use my pump as well. I'm going to put everything I use in this video. I'm going to put it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Then I'm going to open the balloons inside like that. Then I'm going to put a little bit of Mod Podge inside. So just go ahead, place a little bit. Don't place a lot. Like I think I put a lot, but it's still, it dries up clear, so it's okay. So then after I did that, I'm going to take this jumbo glitter is called. I'm gonna place it inside. The best way to use one of these. They have these in Dollar Tree, and then just go ahead and put your jumbo glitter inside like that, and then just spread it out. Just holding it like that with your hand until you see that everything attached into place all around the balloons like that. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some air out, and this is how it's turning out. Pretty simple. You see how the glue, it will dry and clear. Then go ahead and tie it with a ribbon at the bottom part like that. And then I took this cute little teddy bear and I'm going to attach it to the stick with some hot glue. Put some hot glue on the shoulder and then put a little bit on the hand. Here you can place the teddy bear standing up or sitting down, however you want to be. Then go ahead and place your balloon on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so simple. This can be done for any party decorations, for a baby shower, a birthday party. You could just put a Barbie in the middle. You could take the teddy bear and incorporate to whatever theme you guys doing and whatever color you guys are doing into this centerpiece DIY. I also did it in the regular balloons. If you guys don't want to use the clear balloon, you could also use any other different colored balloons. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Number one is the clear one, or number two, that will be this one, the pink. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and please don't forget to comment, share if you guys think somebody else is gonna need this DIY as well. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.